welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing some quick easy breakfast ideas, so easy to do before work or school in the morning. So yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the first breakfast idea. So the first breakfast idea is Special K and some berries. I'm using the red berry Special K because I just prefer this one. You can use the normal one if you want to, and I'm just pouring my serving size in a bowl. You don't have to do as much, or you can do more, up to you. And I'm just adding on some grapes and some blueberries. Grapes and blueberries have lots of antioxidants in them, so they're really good for your body. And then I'm just adding on some milk. Use any milk of your choice, and that's pretty much it. It's so quick and easy to do. I've been doing this a lot recently. It tastes really good and it's really healthy. Breakfast idea number 2 is with Special K again, but I've altered it a bit. Here you can see that I've got to the end of the cereal, so it's all the little bits, but I actually like this part. Anyway, I'm just adding on some walnuts. Walnuts are really good for your skin and your nails. And then I'm adding on some grapes again and a banana. Bananas are obviously really good for you, and they're going to help with keeping you fuller for longer and give you some energy. Then just add on some milk of your choice, and that's it. Quick and easy to do and really healthy again. You've got some good fruits and healthy fats from the nuts, and you've got some good carbs from the cereal. The next breakfast idea is some muesli and some nuts. I'm just using some Alpine cereal and I'm just pouring that into a bowl. Then I'm going to add on some walnuts. As I said, walnuts are really good for your skin and your nails, so I like to include them as much as I can in my breakfast. And I'm also adding on some raisins. They're also really good for your skin. And I'm just adding on some milk, and that's it. Again, really quick and easy to do. Great for school or great for work, and you just need to do something quick and it's really healthy. The next breakfast idea is if you want something a bit lighter. I'm just starting off with some cinnamon raisin toast, and I'm just putting that in the toaster and getting it all toasty. Whilst I'm doing that, I'm just putting some walnuts in a bowl, and I'm going to serve it with a banana as well, and that's it. Really quick and easy to do, but it's a little bit different than just having cereal in the morning if you don't like having cereal. And the last idea is for someone who wants a lighter breakfast. This is again really quick and easy. 3 ingredients. I'm just starting with some rice cakes, and I'm just going to add on some peanut butter onto each rice cake. Then I am just adding on some blueberries on top of that. This is optional, you don't have to. I most of the time just eat it without, but if you want to get a bit of fruit in the morning, then you could add some blueberries, or you could add a banana or something like that. That's pretty much all of the breakfast ideas that I have for you guys. If you want me to do more videos like this, I will be sure to make those for you. I was thinking of doing one for snacks, lunch, dinner, maybe some desserts, or like evening snacks, because I am an evening snacker. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure